Hello friends, what's going on guys? In today's video, I will tell you about how to choose a domain name. If you are planning to start your new website, then you have to choose your domain name first. This is the first step to start your new website. But if you are already started a website and you uh, done a good progress with your website and later on you want to change your domain name, that is a big pain for you. Why it is? Because changing a domain name is not only effect on your money and time, but you will lose a lot of traffic. So first you choose your domain name that will be exactly perfect for you. Then only you proceed for your next step. So in today's video I will share with you few points to keep in mind before choosing your domain name. The first point is do not be too specific. For example, if you want to start a website on travel niche, if you keep the domain name like travelindia.com, so on that case you can put all the travel sites of the places from India. But later on, after few days, if you decided to put the overseas places also inside your website, you can definitely do that, but your domain name is not supporting. So on that is the reason you don't be too much specific. You can keep the domain name like travel you can keep the domain name like uh, nicetravel.com. It is not specific at all. You can definitely put all the articles from all over the world. So the first point is don't be too much specific on your domain name. The next point is keep your domain name short. I like to keep my domain names less than 15 characters. Because why it is 15 characters? Because it is easy to remember and looks nice. So don't keep your website domain name too long. That is not good because it is not easy to remember and also it is not looking good. The next point is easy to remember because you keep a website like that, pronouncing is easy and people can easy to remember and use the common general keywords inside your domain names. The fourth point is you choose .com, .net or .org about that extension. It is good to keep your domain name on .com because that is most trustable on Google, but you can choose definitely .net or .org. There is nothing wrong in it because you come up with an idea of some domain name and you don't found the domain name on .com. So on that case you definitely go with .net and .org. If you keep the .net or .org website extension, so on that case people may type .com instead of .net or .org. So you will be redirected to some other places. So that is one problem. But but there is a positive side also to keep the domain name .net or .org. If you want to build your brand, so on that case .net or .org is good because most of the cases people keep the .com domain. If you keep .net or .org, it somehow create a specific brand for your business name. But the same problem arises in case of .net or .org. It will be redirected to some other website. For example, my website is highqualitylead.net. I don't found a .com website, but I found a .net website. So on that case, I can type here. If I type highqualitylead.com instead of highqualitylead.net, what will happen? it is redirecting to some other landing pages. And also if I type .org, so on that case also it will be redirected to some other websites or some other web pages. That is the problem. But if you want to build your own brand, on specific brand, .net and .org is also good, because .com, .net and .org there is no problem on the SEO aspect. And the next point is avoid numbers and hyphens. Do not put any kind of numbers and hyphens inside your domain names. What will happen? Because it is not easy to remember and people don't like to remember numbers and the hyphens inside the domain names. And the SEO aspects also, this is not very good. So you keep only the characters instead of the numbers or hyphens. The next is include your focus keyword. If you have something like the same example, if you have a website, if you want to build a website on travel niche, you can definitely put the word travel inside your domain name. This focus keyword is required. And the next is easy to spell by hearing it. You definitely first check that people can easily spell the domain name by hearing it or not. This is important, because whenever people hear it and they can, if they cannot properly spell it, then that is a big problem for your brand. So this is very good to, if they can hear and they can spell it easily. The next is don't choose a domain name close to any big brand website. Check no other blog with a similar name. That is important, because whenever your website will be very close name to the big brand, that will be your problem. That will be a big problem for your brand. So do not choose a similar kind of website with big brand or the big blogs already running. You can, what, how you can check that? Simply type that your desired domain name, what is in your mind, you can type inside the Google and you can check the top 10 list. From there you can select that this website is already exist, so don't choose the similar kind of website domain name. And also you can check with the noem.com. That is a website where you can allow this noem allow to check for the use of your domain name instantly over 500 popular and emerging social media websites. So you can check with this website that others websites are exist or not with a similar kind of domain names. So these are the points you must keep in mind while choosing a domain name for your new website. So that's it for today. If you like this video, definitely hit the like button and also subscribe my YouTube channel, and definitely hit the bell notification, because whenever I publish a new video, you will be get notified instantly. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye bye.